Welcome to Toons. Let's enjoy today's video. Oh man, I couldn't find anything to eat. My stomach is starving. Wait a second, I smell something tasty. Well, looks like I found my lunch. Hey friends, want to come to a free picnic?
Why is he being so nice today?
I think so too. Mr. Fox isn't usually this nice. He must have some hidden motive.
So, what do we do now? How do we get rid of this sneaky fox?
No, let's watch how clever he really is. Let's see what trick he tries on us. Hey, what are you two talking about? Come on, let's go have that picnic.
I don't know, Fox. You always have some trick up your sleeve.
Yes, Mr. Fox, we know you're very selfish. I'm sorry for what I did before. I really do want to have a picnic with you this time. All right, we trust you.
Hey, look! A boat! Let's hop in and have our picnic across the river.
Are you sure we should cross the river by boat? Yes, friends. Come on, this picnic will be a real picnic adventure. All right then, let our journey begin.
Hey, look! I can see the edge of another jungle. We'll stop there and have our picnic.
Time to step ashore. I'll go next, carefully.
This is so much fun!
Hey, who are you? How dare you come here? Easy, friend, we didn't come to cause trouble. We just came here for a little picnic.
You can join us if you like.
Oh, you're having a picnic? That's wonderful news. Let's go. We're having a picnic together. Hey, friends, look over there. A meadow full of fun.
Wow, let's go!
Come on, everyone. Adventure awaits. Hey, friends, look. Our guests have arrived. I misunderstood them earlier. I behaved badly. Come with me, friends. Let me show you something over here. Look, my friend, see where I've brought you? If you like, we can call some more of our friends. The lion is a very good friend of ours. Are you serious? What are you saying? The lion of this jungle is very dangerous. No, I'm scared. Hey, friend, come over here. Our lion is very kind. If you don't believe me, I'll call him right now. Hey, lion! Come here, friend!
Yes, my friend, what happened? Are you all in some trouble?
No, Mr. Lion, we don't have any problem. We have new guests in our jungle. I'd like to introduce them to you. We came from the neighboring jungle to have a picnic here. We heard the lion of this forest is very kind.
What good fortune for me! You have come from the neighboring jungle for a picnic. If you need anything at all, you will find me, my friends.
Hey, Mr. Lion, your dear fox friend was about to run away in fear.
All right, let's all start the picnic.
Yes, I almost forgot. Come on, friends, let's go!
Look, dear, we have some guests in our jungle.
Welcome, friends. We're so glad you've joined us in this beautiful meadow.
We're happy to be here. It's wonderful.
Indeed, together we are stronger.
And happier!